Hello friends, to understand Vedic astrology, we need to understand some basic terms of Vedic astrology. First, 12 houses of Kundali. First house, Tanubhav, physique. Second, Dhanubhav, wealth. Third, Sahajabhav, younger brother and sister. Fourth, Bandhubhav, relatives. Fifth, Putrabhav, progeny, children. Sixth, Aribhav, that is enemies. Seventh, Yuvati Bhav, that means spouse. Eighth, Randhra Bhav, that is longevity. Ninth, Dharma Bhav, religion, spirituality. 10th, Karma Bhav, profession, job, business, etc. 11th, Labha Bhav, gain, income, profit. 12th, Bhaya Bhav, that is expenditure. These 12 bhav always present in any Rashi chart. Various results from Lagna and planets. Father, from 9th you can understand the condition of father, but from it is found from Lagna, and at the same time it is house from 9th from sun. Gain from father, 10th from Lagna, 10th for sun, gains 11th from Lagna, 11th from sun, as sun represents father. Mother, 4th from Lagna, 4th from moon, as moon represents mother. Physical well-being, Lagna itself, moon sign. Wealth, speech, 2nd from Lagna, 2nd from moon. General fortune, religion, 9th from Lagna, 9th from moon. Gain, elder brothers, 11th from Lagna, 11th from moon. Co-born and courage, 3rd from Lagna, 3rd from Mars. 3rd represent courage. Disease, death, enemies from 6th house, 6th house from Lagna. 6th house from Mercury, Budh, cause of buddhi. Progeny, 5th from Lagna, 5th from Jupiter. Jupiter, Karaka of children, everything. Spouse, marriage, 7th from Lagna, 7th from Venus. Venus, cause of marriage, spouse. Date, 8, 12 from Lagna. 8, 12 from Saturn. Saturn, opposite of Sun, represent death. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more important information from this channel, you can like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you.